This is the integrated question asked in JEE. So here they have told that the total number of carboxylic acid groups in the product P is. So they have given the reactant, right? So you can see that they have given this reactant and they have done 3 steps. One is hydrolysis followed by heating, ozonolysis, third one is hydrogen peroxide, right? So they will get this product P. So what is that product and how many number of carboxylic acid are there? So this is one of the easiest problem. So what I can do, I can write it first the structure of the given molecule. So what happens, let us see that, right? So this is the given molecule, right? So here it has got this. Can you understand what is this? This is nothing but the cyclic anhydride. This is nothing but the cyclic anhydride, right? So anhydride. So when we do hydrolysis for this anhydride H3O plus, this bond will be broken. This carbon oxygen bond will be broken. OH comes here and H comes here. From where we will get OH and H, that is nothing but water. So OH one goes and H comes here like this, right? So what happens, we will get this product. So can I write it here? So this is the product, we will get it. So here as it is, everything remains as it is. Double bond O, ketones groups remains as it is. Only this anhydride becomes now carboxylic acid. The anhydride becomes now what? Carboxylic acid. So we will get this carboxylic acid. And we know that in the carboxylic acid, the chapter, we have studied that when we heat it, this will there, right? Carbon dioxide, this CO, this will go as carbon dioxide and this H will attach to this carbon. Similarly, this carbon dioxide will go as CO2 and this hydrogen will attack this here. So there will be loss of 2 molecules of carbon dioxide. Since delta H entropy, as it is gas, it is going out, entropy also increases. So we will get this product. So what we will get? We will get this product, easiest product we will get. So here double bond remains as it is, double bond O, and here we will get 2 hydrogen and 2 molecules of carbon dioxide have been liberated out. Further, so this is the first step. The second step what they have given, ozonolysis, O3. This is what happens, this bond will be broken, this bond will be broken, right? So this double bond becomes what? Aldehyde. But we are adding in presence of H2O2. H2O2 is an oxidizing agent. So instead of getting aldehyde, we will get carboxylic acid. So how it breaks, let me write it here. So other groups remains as it is, double bond O, other side hydrogens are there, so I am not showing. And here I have, this is there, right? So it will break as C double bond O H. Instead of getting H, as I am adding hydrogen peroxide, this aldehyde group becomes what? Carboxylic acid group. So here one oxygen will come and here one oxygen will come. So the end product what we get is this one. So this remains as it is, C double bond O, and we will get this one, CH2, C double bond O, OH. Similarly, CH2, C double bond O, OH. So how many carboxylic acid we will get in the product? So we will get this one carboxylic acid, then this one carboxylic acid. Total 2 carboxylic acid we will get in the product P. So this is about this reaction, right? Thank you.